Manipur government has strongly refuted the existence of an organization that identifies itself as the Kuki-Zo Council KZC. The government has also denounced the existence of a district called Lamka. In an official statement that was issued yesterday, government clarified that investigations reveal no such entity called Kuki-Zo Council is registered or operates within the state. The statement also informs that Manipur police have initiated investigations into the matter and plan to file an FIR to ascertain the true intent and nature behind the activities of the so-called Kuki-Zo Council. Authorities urge the people of Manipur to exercise caution and refrain from paying heed to statements or claims made by dubious organizations that aim to create confusion and unrest in the state. The government reiterated its commitment to maintain peace and harmony and advised citizens to remain vigilant and rely on credible sources of information. Further updates on the investigation will be shared as developments occur. The statement also called upon the media, both national and local, to avoid giving publicity to press releases or statements issued by unauthorized organizations or individuals. Additionally, the central government and its agencies have appealed to the public to disregard claims of unverified entities. The statement also highlighted the increasing security concerns arising from the influx of individuals from neighboring countries. To address this, the Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India has reimposed the protected area regime in the states of Manipur, Mizoram and Nagaland. This reimposition requires foreigners visiting Manipur to obtain the necessary protected area permits PAP under the Foreigners Protected Areas Order 1958. The government stated that this measure will ensure close monitoring of foreign visitors to the region.